like watching DIY, recycled projects and easy art and craft videos, then subscribe to my channel Shweta's Craft Tree so that you don't miss any uploads. So in today's project, we are going to create a mandala on a tray. So for this particular project, we have taken an MDF tray which is in square shape. Here I have taken a paper which is of the same size of the base. Here our mandala grid is ready. What I'm going to do next is I'll be making the design on the paper first, and then we are going to trace that design on the tray with the help of tracing paper. While making a design, you can take help from the internet and choose a design to replicate it on the paper. Here my design is ready now. So for the base of the tray, I'm going to make my own chalk paints. For this, you only need two things. One is any acrylic color, and secondly, you need POP powder. Here the ratio of mixture is 2:1, that is 2 parts acrylic and 1 part POP powder. You have to mix it properly and your chalk paint is ready. Now we are going to trace the mandala with the help of carbon paper. You just have to draw the outlines that we have made with the help of a pencil. The outline is done now. We are going to fill the colors. You can use your imagination to create a beautiful pattern. Don't worry about the outlines, as we are going to first fill the colors and then do the outline later on. With the help of fine thin brush, we are going to make the outline with black color. You can use a black marker also to do this step. Here is the final look of the tray. I hope you all like it, and if you do so, then do consider subscribing to my channel, hit that bell icon and press that like button. And I will see you in my next DIY. Till then, bye bye, take care.